facing a testosterone epidemic as men. All right, generally speaking, as a population, our testosterone level has been on the decline for the past 30 years, and it is at an all-time low. A few reasons for that, right? It kind of makes sense. Your lack of exercise, your crappy diet, the EDC chemicals, and all those harmful things that we're consuming on a daily basis that we don't even realize is destroying our testosterone level. And unfortunately, at about the age of 30, your testosterone level is going to drop naturally about 1% per year. All right, now, 1%, 2%, 3% down, not that big of a deal. But as it dramatically drops, you're not going to feel good, you're not going to look good, your sex drive is going to be low, you are not going to be operating optimally because testosterone is the lifeblood of dudes. So the inspiration for today's video is actually my personal testosterone journey, right? Around 3 years ago, I got it tested because I was feeling a little sluggish and it was around 500. And so I decided to see what I could do in order to get it up. Well, I've had a few tests since then. I even had a testosterone coach give me micronutrient recommendations. And the other day I had it tested and it's over 820. In terms of my lifestyle, it really hasn't changed over the course of the past 3 years, all right? And I guess that's where I want to start, all right? A few basic things that you guys all probably know. It's mostly common sense, right? You got to make sure your body fat level is low because when your body fat is high, your estrogen is going to rise and your testosterone is going to drop, right? You got to make sure you're not smoking anything. You got to make sure you're not drinking beer specifically with the hops, not good. All right, you got to make sure that you're living and eating as cleanly as possible. All right, a lot of the EDC chemicals that are found in a lot of the products, if you can eliminate them, great. If you can eat a little bit more organic and eliminate the processed crap, eliminate the sugars, eat healthier foods, you are going to be on your way to boosting your testosterone level. But the other component for me was micronutrients. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm a fanatic about micronutrients and supplementation, right? So today, what I thought I'd actually do is go over what I take and some micronutrients that have been proven to assist in your body's ability to produce that mythical, magical, amazing lifeblood, which is testosterone. And before I go over this list, a few things I need to get out of the way in terms of a disclaimer, right? Do your own research. Everything I say, search it, Google it, right? Do whatever you need to do in order to learn about the micronutrients, all right? Something else is, if there is something going on with you, go talk to a doctor before you get on anything, right? I just got to get that out of the way, all right? The first two things I'd like to talk about, in my opinion, is a baseline. Two supplements that I feel every guy, every man should be taking, regardless of if you're trying to facilitate testosterone production, all right? Number one is a multivitamin, and number two is a probiotic, all right? Multivitamin is going to give you the baseline, the basic nutrients that you're going to need that are hard to get from diet alone. The one that I take is from Ritual. It is the Ritual Essential for Men. This bad boy is amazing, all right? You get 10 traceable micronutrients. And the thing that you're going to notice, look at that capsule, right? It doesn't look like your daddy's multivitamin because it's not, all right? Ritual is designed to be absorbed where it actually needs to be absorbed, right? I love this product. I've been taking it now for years. If you want to check this out or the probiotic I'm about to mention, I'm going to have a special link down below. If you go through my link, you're going to get 25% off your first month of Ritual, all right? The second thing I'd recommend is a probiotic, right? The more I learn about gut health and its impact on not only how you absorb nutrients, but your overall body health, it's incredibly important, all right? If you're somebody that has gas, if you've got bloating, if you've got bloated distension, this isn't normal. Most people have effed up microbiome, if I'm being honest. And the reason is because of our lifestyle, right? We're stressed out all the time, certain medications, our diet is crap. But by supplementing a probiotic, well, technically you need a prebiotic, a probiotic, and a postbiotic, which is what you get in the Symbiotic Plus from Ritual, you are gonna give your body the good, healthy bacteria that it needs in order to thrive and be amazing, including regulate hormone levels. Your gut health, gentlemen, and all that good, healthy, amazing bacteria is so incredibly important to everything, all right? And so do a little search, do your own research, and then hit the link down below to check out these two products. Guys, I'm gonna link to these two products down below. If you're interested, hit the link, use the code, and you're gonna get 25% off your first month of Ritual. Those two supplements are the baseline for every single healthy male. Multivitamin and a probiotic. All right, next up is vitamin D. Vitamin D, ooh, mama, this one is directly impacted to testosterone production. Now, in the old days, right, when you're outside all day, the sunshine, you're getting some of the good stuff. But now, right, we're sitting in front of a computer, we're inside way too much. We're also lacking vitamin D and not getting it enough in our diets. And so supplementing a vitamin D supplement, D3 specifically, is something that every single one of you should do. There's a bunch of research that shows that men that are deficient in vitamin D have lower testosterone level. All right, the next micronutrient is zinc. Zinc is another one of those minerals that is critical for testosterone production. All right, if you're deficient in zinc, unfortunately, you are typically going to have lower testosterone level. The next one is magnesium. All right, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium. Those three, in my opinion, are the biggest. The vitamin D, zinc, magnesium. Those three, it's like the trifecta of testosterone production. But then something else is D-aspartic acid, all right? It's an amino acid that has been shown and proven to facilitate your body's production of testosterone. L-carnitine, right? You've heard me talk about L-carnitine for years because of how it helps with reducing fat, but it also has been recently shown to increase and facilitate the production of testosterone. Guys, I'm telling you, it's not just my opinion. Do a search, L-carnitine, testosterone. You'll be a believer like I was. I was a believer because my testosterone level shot up. And I was trying to figure out, I'm like, what did I do different? What changed? And when I was talking to my coach about my blood work, he basically was the one that was saying, hey, one of the things we recommend for people that want to facilitate and boost their testosterone naturally is L-carnitine. And then the light bulb went off. I was always taking it for fat loss, but there's a correlation with testosterone as well. There are 4 herbs that have been shown to be beneficial to increase the luteinizing hormone, not to mention testosterone level, all right? Ashwagandha, fenugreek, tribulus, and ginger, all right? All 4 of those natural herbs have been directly tied to increase in testosterone level. I'm telling you, gentlemen, do a search. Don't just take my opinion, search it. And the last supplement is boron, all right? It has been shown to play a role in testosterone metabolism and reduce SHBG, which is sex hormone binding globulin, which it's in the weeds, but bottom line is this: boron can help boost testosterone when combined with a healthy lifestyle, exercise, the right diet, and making sure you move your ass. Gentlemen, here's the deal. Testosterone, it has been on the decline for years. And one of the things that I want you to do is try to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Before you go in and just get your blood work done and they're like, yo, you've got low testosterone, really what I want you to do is try to modify your lifestyle, right? Lose a bit of weight, all right? Stop drinking as much alcohol. Stop smoking stuff, all right? Eat a healthier, cleaner diet. Less processed food. Like we talk about, your health is your #1 most valuable asset, right? Well, part of that is making sure that you facilitate and protect your body's ability to produce testosterone. What I'd recommend is go get it tested, right? See where you are, right? If you're feeling sluggish, if you're feeling slow, if you don't have a sex drive, if you're tired all the time, if you're getting forgetful, if you can't put on muscle, these are all signs and indicators that your testosterone level may be dropping or is too low. And if you feel that way or you're a little bit concerned or just want to know where it is, because I'm a firm believer in get it tested, get it checked, so that you have a baseline. Because unless you have a baseline of where it is, you don't know how your body is responding or where you get to by implementing some of these things and some of these strategies. So go get it tested. And then before you jump on TRT or take the easy road, all right, what I want you to do is focus on lifestyle modifications and combine that with the micronutrient recommendations, right? It's incredible what will happen, right? I am a testament to that. My testosterone 3 years ago was 500. Now it's over 800. I really haven't changed my lifestyle. I have focused more on nutrition, eating better quality food, eating less processed food, and supplementing where I feel it's important to supplement, right? Like I said, every one of you should take a multivitamin. Every one of you should take a probiotic. That's the baseline. But vitamin D, zinc, magnesium, and L-carnitine, in my opinion, are a must.